Hi, this is Sarah, and I will guide you and show you how you can use Nova to manage your work and define your expectations and objectives for the team. Managers need to excel not only in managing their time, but also in helping team members manage their time, stress, and expectations while ensuring a fair process and workload for all team members. To provide you with a general idea of how you can organize your work and assist your team in defining their expectations and goals, we will share one of the most common approaches. However, as mentioned in previous videos, Nova offers extreme flexibility, and there is no right or wrong way to use it. Let's begin with organizing your work. We recommend using a Kanban board, such as the ones shown here, to arrange your tasks and priorities each month. Add the Kanban board tool to your leadership hub as demonstrated. And at the start of each month, outline your priorities, the key deliverables due by the end of the month, and the tasks you need to start. Additionally, you have a section for items on your radar, a fantastic place for sticky notes that may not be current priorities but could become ones as you make progress. This also helps you visualize all the things you have on your mind, giving you the opportunity to discuss them and set aside. Turn those sticky notes into tasks, just like this. This is useful whenever things turn into priorities, and you have a plan and a delivery date for them. This is where tasks outside the main folders, projects, or clients will be located, and you can review it on a daily basis to ensure you remain focused on the month's deliverables. It also features useful sections for key decisions and links, so you don't have to keep looking for links and remember certain decisions you made last week. All your other tasks, sessions, meetings, team one-on-ones, etc. will be scheduled on your calendar, which you can find here. You will also see all the tasks added to the Kanban board on your calendar. The calendar is really a central place for all your collaborative work, decisions, approvals, reviews, meetings, workshops, training, and tasks. Now let's discuss how you can help your team define their priorities. For your team, on a monthly basis, we recommend conducting a brief meeting to openly discuss the main deliverables they need to complete. It can look something like this. Typically, we add the session within the Leadership Hub right here. Then select this tool and invite the team by sharing the collaborators link or adding them to the session. This tool helps the team define their key priorities and facilitate open discussions about what the expectations are. At the start of the meeting, you can review the previous month, mark things as completed, discuss challenges, and then transition to the new month. Following that, each team member should be responsible for managing their tasks and sessions based on those objectives, or you can suggest using the same tool we previously shared for organizing your own work. Like each team member can create their own Kanban board. Additionally, you can use this tool called Notes to keep all your notes and decisions for the month. Overall, all your work will be visible on the calendar or to-do list, providing clarity on what you need to focus on each month and what you've accomplished. It often happens that we reach the end of the month feeling like we haven't made any progress or lost control of our time. This approach allows you to review all the things you have achieved and any missed tasks, providing greater clarity to stay on track with what truly matters. And on your calendar, you can easily see all the things that are overdue that you are leading and need your attention. In our next video, we will discuss how you can organize your calendar and how you can structure your time to make more time to get things done and to support the team. Thank you for watching and see you soon.